All right, I wanted to bring you in nice and close for this step. And what I have here is just a piece of white school chalk. Again, you could use other options. You could use pencils or anything that'll make a mark. You can even use a little watered down white paint that you can just wipe off. I like about the chalk again, so you can just wipe it right off with a clean, wet rag. There we go. Again, the brushes that I'm using for the step, we've got these. But right now we're just going to use the chalk. And looking at my original design, should grab this. You can absolutely switch it up. You can switch sides. You can have your tree coming from this direction, that direction, flip it sideways, whatever you like to make yours different. I'm just going to try to stick with the original because that's what you signed up for. All right. I keep it right here. Just kind of have it as a visual aid. Okay. So I've got this large part here, this nice long, weighty, kind of drunken Dr. Seuss Y. These are the two main branches that come up. You can see where they hit. You have another branch from that one over here. And then we have three more small ones. Notice I didn't have any right angles. Right? I don't want to go across. I want to make sure everything is at a Y or a V. So I can start down here. My main branch being from about 10 o'clock to about, I don't know, about 5:30. So you've got these two lines here. We can just connect those with a nice little wiggly arch. Okay, make sure it's not a straight line. It's going to bow in just a little bit. And then we have that second most important line, which is going to be at about 1 o'clock. And it's going to curve in and then bounce back out to curve around that moon just a little bit. And we're going to join it right in with the other Y. We have the other branch here, pretty important. Okay, it's about 1 o'clock. And it's going to curve in and join this one. Make sure that I'm still recording. Good. Okay. And then we have the three others, which are just not going to quite reach off the canvas. We've got one at about 2:30, one at about 3:30. And this one's going to curve in from about 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. All right, so this one curves down in. That happens a lot. You can see we're going to bow this one the opposite direction, if that were a set of parentheses on the opposite sides of parenthetical statement. And then it's going to join forces down into this little Y. It's going to switch directions. So it goes out and flips back in. We have the other two, which can be nice and fun, the kind of drunken little wiggle lines that curve in. Again, think Y's and V's, and this we're going to get another little Y coming in. All right, at this point, I usually like to stop. Now, if you'd like to continue to make your branches come up from here, another Y over here, you know, you can get as complicated as you want with the chalk. Some are going to go down and up, all Y's and V's. I don't like to get too busy, so I like to just kind of keep those main ones and then let the other ones grow kind of naturally or freely. I'll place this back here, and we'll get started with our paint.